Silai muni pesan kalhang san ho an modin so
Sakit tol be rela adin. Adam tang otom atam mai. Ni din da tai lu te kai thang a. Kang ko pi kang bui.
hey sam ta youtubers o ano kilo gam taven gam to thang kanam jemen tubin ta tinal jampilal holoi
Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji against the removal of 9 and 22 battalions of Assam Rifle from the conflict zones of Chultanpur, Lanka and Southern Hills, Kalpepi and the method thereof. Most respectful sir, good greetings from the Kukizo community in general and the Committee on Tribal Unity in particular, and that may we take this opportunity to present our pride and insecurities in the events of eventual removals of the two battalions of Assam Rifle 9 and 22 from fringe areas of Chultanpur, Lamka and Southern Hills, Kamputi in the form of representation as memorandum to your good self as under. Number one, that these ethnic conflicts, which has proceeded beyond 16 months, reflects the incompetency of the current dispensation led by Mr. M. Biren Singh and all like-minded MLAs and ministers. That the culpability on the present genocide program of a particular community is evident when they took the oath of allegiance to the armed militias of at Kangla Fort on February this year and the subsequent charter of demand through Kokomi, in which the removal of the 9 and 22 battalions of Assam Rifles from the Bukizo dominated area is one of your priorities. Number two, furthermore, with the presence of the Valley-based assassinates, major militants Vibix, UNLFP and Arambay Kengo in the Imphal Valley, who have the patronage of the state. The Assam Rifles bottleneck in their quest for complete annihilation against the Kukizo community. So, CRPF or Central Security Forces, without the experience of counter-insurgency or guerrilla warfare, will not be able to contain these VPICs and UNLFP. The Assam Rifle is the only force with such experience that can contain these secessionist groups. Number three, relocations or removal of these two battalions of Assam Rifles from the conflict zones and the replacement with other central security forces by the Ministry of Home Affairs will not be accepted by the Kukizo community, however good the intent or operative convenience may be. Therefore, the Committee on Tribal Unity will implore your good office to instruct the Ministry of Home Affairs to consider removal of the said two battalions of Assam Rifles from Kukizo dominated areas to allay their fears and insecurities in the region. And it is also reminded to your good office that we the Kukizo will be pressed upon to take drastic measures to protect and defend ourselves both politically and physically. From them to Ken, Chairman Kotu, Lamilun Singsit, Secretary Kotu. Nah, itu ang pili din ang pili cacala in sabdu. Injo ko sa pingacu, ang diman pa sa samay sabdu. Yung tawag. We demand. We demand. We demand. We demand. We demand. We demand. Removing Assam Rifles. Removing Assam Rifles. Removing Assam Rifles. Don't remove. Don't remove. Don't remove. Until it should be. Until it should be. Until it should be. Biren Singh. Biren Singh. Biren Singh. Biren Singh. We demand. We demand. We demand. Hasamutai. We demand. We demand. We demand. We demand. We demand. We demand. Osama Police! Removing Osama Police! Barat Bataki! Barat Bataki! Barat Bataki! Barat Bataki! Jadi, gawin na nga ito susi kaya ganyan sila mamahang masabihin sila auto yung masabihin ko na aba na ganyan sila ng video he Hello auto yung masabihin lang masabihin ito Husumpun Bang Al-Qawqur Habli Mutintin Ubuhin Habli Mutintin Hanya Wakil Mu'asan Al-Qatun Hanya Wakil Mu'asan Al-Qatun Sibuhin Husumpun Pikan Komentain Pili Nikuahi Santan Mga Tuho Sumhi Sambaya Uhan Dihan Yang Ditepasin Bisa Kala Nasara Ini Jawab Bisa Tuki Yang Ditepasin Ini Bikin Mulawin Mulawin Tupan muncul Itu mungkin Mungkin kisah naikkan Naikkan Mungkin Bijukan Sebenarnya Dengan Hilang Kadai Ini dari kami Kita imaman Dari imaman Ini pinjakan Sambama Kita Isarankan Sambama Ini benar Kelayanan Pengaturan Dari orang Ini dari kami Bisa menjadi
Khar veidin lei makong daming kong kile tawe